Writing clean code is an essential skill for any developer. Clean code is easy to read, understand, and modify, which can significantly decrease the maintenance cost and increase the efficiency of the development process. Here are some best practices for writing clean code. 1. Write meaningful names. Choose descriptive names for variables, functions, and classes. Names should convey intent, making it easier to understand the purpose of the code without additional comments. Avoid using ambiguous or single-letter names unless in the context of loops or very short-lived variables. 2. Keep functions small and focused. A function should do one thing and do it well. By keeping functions small and focused, you make them easier to test, debug, and understand. If a function is too long or has multiple responsibilities, consider breaking it into smaller functions. 3. Use comments sparingly. Code should be self-explanatory through the choice of meaningful names and clear structure. However, use comments to explain the why behind a decision or to clarify complex logic. Avoid redundant comments that merely restate the code. 4. Follow consistent coding style. Adhere to a consistent coding style throughout your project. This includes consistent indentation, naming conventions, and organization patterns. Using linters and formatters can help enforce these rules automatically. 5. Refactor regularly. Refactoring is the process of restructuring existing code without changing its external behavior. Regular refactoring helps keep the codebase clean and reduces technical debt. Identify and remove code smells, such as duplicated code and overly complex structures. 6. Write unit tests. Unit tests verify the correctness of individual units of code. Writing unit tests ensures that your code works as intended and makes future modifications safer. Strive for a high test coverage to catch potential issues early. 7. Avoid global variables. Global variables can lead to unintended side effects and make debugging difficult. Instead, use local variables or pass necessary data as parameters to functions. 8. Keep code dry. Don't repeat yourself. Avoid duplicating code by abstracting common functionality into reusable functions or modules. This reduces the chance of errors and makes the code easier to maintain. 9. Handle errors gracefully. Implement proper error handling to ensure that your code can handle unexpected situations without crashing. Use try-catch blocks and provide meaningful error messages to help identify issues quickly. 10. Simplify complex logic. Break down complex logic into simpler, more understandable pieces. This might involve decomposing a large function into smaller functions, or using clear and concise conditional statements. By following these best practices, you can write clean, organized, and maintainable code that will benefit both you